IBM just replaced 8,000 workers with AI in 1 quarter. 2026 is when it accelerates. Google's Gemini now writes code faster than your team. McKinsey reports 400 million jobs vanish by 2030. That's not tomorrow. That's 4 years. 5 AI tools are doing this right now. ChatGPT handles customer service for 100,000 companies. One tool replaced 47,000 data entry workers last year. Anthropic's Claude now does legal research in minutes. Took lawyers weeks. Your job title might be next. Check your salary. Now check the job market. We're tracking which roles disappear first. Subscribe now or get left behind. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input. AI every day.